Hello. Storm Callum has hit, bringing strong winds to northern and western Britain, as well as prolonged wet weather to western parts of the country. And that rainfall is a key concern. Amber warning in force for South Wales. The rainfall really going to mount up in this part of the country through Friday and Saturday. Persistent and heavy over the hills in particular, more than 150 millimetres, and significant impacts such as communities cut off and power cuts, as well as fast-flowing rivers and flash flooding. Callum is a deep low and will also bring impacts from wind. Those winds have already been reaching gale force in many areas through Friday morning, and it's particularly windy across the western coast. But even inland, we've got gale force winds in some locations, 40 to 50 mile-per-hour gusts. Exposed hills and coasts around Irish Sea areas, 60 mile-per-hour gusts. The wind pushing outbreaks of heavy rain north into northern England, southern and central Scotland, as well as Northern Ireland. But it does turn drier further south and southeast, and it's warm. 21 or 22 degrees, the top number for Friday afternoon in the southeast, where it is staying dry, and there'll be some sunshine for Friday evening, but a tricky commute home elsewhere with the winds continuing to be strong. Trans-Pennine routes up into northeast England, wet weather. You can see where the rain is as we end Friday, and it's going to turn even windier again for a time during Friday evening in the far northwest, 60, 70 mile-per-hour gusts. Eventually the winds calm down, clearer skies for Scotland and Northern Ireland, temperatures falling away. Elsewhere, a very mild night, but a very wet night for northern England into western parts of England as well as Wales. And you can see that rain just continues across western parts of England and Wales throughout Saturday once again. And it's over the higher ground of these areas. We've got yellow warnings in force across southwest Scotland, Lake District, Snowdonia, Brecon Beacons, Dartmoor, where those rainfall amounts will cause some flooding in places. And I've already mentioned the amber warning area, significant impacts expected across South Wales. Completely different story to the southeast, where it stays dry and warm, but there will be rain pushing here through Saturday night. Some heavy showers ahead of the main band of rain, then the rain clears through, and then finally, as we begin Sunday, all of the unsettled weather clears its way into the North Sea, and a very different day. Sunny skies break out, a much fresher airflow from the west, and temperatures are back to around average. A few showers in the northwest, but Sunday certainly looking like the pick of the weekend. Much more detail online for all the forecasts and warnings.